after fire. The smoke lingers after fire.
Hello guys, ladies, gentlemen, and kids, whatever. As you can see, I'm driving a car. Since I'm still bikeless, I can't make any cool ass riding videos, but I just created this video for this one reason alone that really pisses me off when I go to demo days. Unfortunately, one particular manufacturer, especially if I haven't uploaded my taste test review on the Tracer 900 GT, because I'm trying to strategize a way for me to sync my FJ09 Las Vegas video and the sound recording of my Tracer 900 experience. My rant to that one is, ever since I went to that demo day at Wheels in Motion in Chatsworth, awesome guys by the way, I got my SMX3 boot on there on sale. My rant on that one is, when I arrived at that event, I just got a shock of my life, to the point that they told me to shove my camera out of my helmet and put it in my pocket. I don't know what's the reason for that. I know it's safety, but the reason why I do taste test videos is that to show you my side of the story on each motorcycle that I ride. I go as far as taste testing bikes to New York State as much as I can, as far as I can afford. But the nature of taste testing is that I just want to share my part of the story on demoing different motorcycles. I don't discriminate, I just ride them. But for that manufacturer banning GoPros or cameras in their helmets or taking videos, it's basically taking off their free publicity or free advertising on the host dealership or the manufacturer or the bike that I'm riding. Sure, it's a little thing, since my channel is less than minuscule in YouTube standards, but every promotion counts. It doesn't matter if it comes from a small channel like mine or a gargantuan channel like the other bigger YouTube channels out there. And I just don't understand why they suddenly ban cameras during their test rides. As you can see of all my videos, I always have fun doing it. It doesn't matter if the bike disappoints me, but I always give a shout out to the dealership or the manufacturer that hosts these events. Doesn't matter if it's an Arizona Bike Week or Phoenix Bike Fest, Las Vegas Bike Fest, IMS, Long Beach, or Americade. Last 2 weekends there was demo days on different dealerships in Southern California. I was planning to go out there for me to test ride the Tracer GT, but as I dig through the requirements of going to these events, it says no cameras anymore, no cameras at all. So that really frustrates me. So what can I do now? I just gonna boycott that manufacturer just because I can't ride their bikes anymore with the camera on? Unfortunately, I'm not in cahoots on any dealership. I wish there's one dealership here in Las Vegas that can willingly to test ride their bikes, and it deeply saddens me for not riding these bikes anymore. I just feel saddened on just what happened to this manufacturer. They always deliver good routes, good demo day routes, and they're very friendly overall. What really infuriates me is that they just don't let me do the stuff that I would like to do, demoing their beautiful bikes. Doesn't matter if it's a cruiser or a sport bike, adventure bike. Actually, I would like to taste test some dirt bikes. That's almost little to impossibility at some degree. I can only count within my fingers on all the dirt bikes that I've ridden so far. Yeah, you know, that's why I do demo days, because of course for a bikeless schmuck like me, it takes me money for me to travel to these different manufacturers or to these dealerships for me to test ride some bikes. I guess with this one manufacturer I won't have to do it anymore, unless if there's a particular dealership who are willing to let me test ride this motorcycle. I hope there's some owners or motorcycle dealers they can let me taste test their ride. My taste test doesn't even last for 20 minutes at least, at most actually. I also do understand on some manufacturers who doesn't like to hold a demo day events, like certain Japanese and European manufacturers. But I understand that. If you just don't want to do demo days, so be it. Let the dealers figure it out. But before this rant fest goes too long, I just want like to share my concerns. Demo days on certain manufacturers, and I know that it kind of infuriates some people who likes to share their experiences on certain motorcycles or covering that event eventually. This also applies to cars too, but that's a different story. So yeah, and that's it for today. I know it's kind of long, but I hope I'll see you guys later. Please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to catch up on all my videos. So yeah, I'll just see you guys later, and ride safe. Peace out.